Hi guys, hope you're doing well and welcome back. Guys, see, this week has been so hectic and has been, I don't know, I can't even explain it actually. Because the past 2 weeks I'm the one who was very sick, and right now my son is the one who is sick. Actually, I didn't even know that I would be able to post today, but thank God everything has turned out right. So yeah, before I get into what I'll be doing today, you remember in our last video we painted the house, and yeah, it turned out quite well. Actually, the last video that I posted, I had done it at night because I didn't want to let you guys down for not posting again. It was on Friday, and I had missed an upload on Wednesday, so I had to finish that video and upload it. That's why it turned out the way it did. But let me tell you guys, the following day, after the paint had dried so well and I'd arranged everything well, guy, it's like we moved into a new house. Seriously, it's like we moved into a new house, and yeah, everything is okay. After the house was repainted, I noticed that this part here, yeah, wasn't giving me such a good vibe, and I had to do something about it. And adding to that, another thing is our countertop. It's it normally has a contact paper and it's worn out. Yeah, so at least that gave me an idea of whatever I do to the countertop is what I'll also do to this place, guys. And before I continue, there are some two items that I'd like to show you, the things that I got. Just give me a second. Yeah, this is the contact paper that I got. Where did I get it from? I actually can't remember, but I'll leave the link in the description box. Kindly check. Yeah, this is the contact paper that I'll be using. And also, guys, you remember there's a video that I had done on glass jars. Yes, for instance, yeah, these glass jars. And you remember the way I labeled them. I used the sellotape to label them, but I would like to change that because I actually realized that when washing them, the sellotape kind of bulges. Is it bulge? Yeah, in Afura. Yes, I think it's bulge. The sellotape bulges, and it doesn't look good. So that's the reason as to why I got these sticker labels. I got them from, actually I can't remember, but I'll leave the name in the description box. They are waterproof and they come with this pen. Yeah, so I'll be using this pen to label the stickers. And guys, I'm not the one who is going to write to literally write those things, because my husband is the one who is going to write them, because he's got a better handwriting than me. So that job is on him. And imagine these things they are 80 pieces, and it was less than 1,000 shillings. It was quite a good deal, guys. Yeah. So that's actually what I'll be doing today, and I hope it won't take me long. And guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video.
The reason as to why I'm measuring is, by the way, I'm always measuring everything in whatever I do. I usually want that perfect outcome because the eyes can never be right sometimes. Yeah guys, anyway, I'm doing so now because I'd like to spare some good parts of this contact paper just in case the other one doesn't fit in all the places that I will be using it on. Yeah, since they're almost the same pattern by the way. You can never be too sure, but I hope the new one fits all round. When installing the contact paper, ensure to start from the top and again take note on the air bubbles so that when you notice the kinks, always make sure to rectify them, since when you leave it like that, it might get worn out quickly and also it won't look as neat and well done. Another thing, always go step by step for better results. Yeah guys, that's what actually works for me. It's actually past 11 o'clock at night. The wallpaper installation took quite a lot of time, and we've already had our dinner, and so let me finish up on this.
Hi guys, hope you're doing well and welcome back. This past few